Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your English online class of today. I hope you had a period right now and you have rushed to the class, right? So, let me wait for other children also to join. Okay, it's time for us to start the session. So, I hope others will join slowly by slowly, right? Okay, children. So, yesterday we were just discussing about what is this direct and indirect speech mean and what is it, what do you understand, right? And we were just discussing about what kind of punctuations should we use in direct speech, right? So, kids, I hope you understood what is direct speech. Okay, and today I am just asking you to type a few sentences. Okay, all of you will write or type a few sentences through which you may be complaining to the teacher in the class, right? When physical classes are there or physical classes were going on, many a time the students just put up some complaints or they go for some complaint, madam, so and so is doing this, so and so is doing that, right? So you can just type a few of your complaints. Just imagine you are in a physical class, okay? So someone is disturbing you. On what type of disturbance is that? That you can imagine, okay? So many a time when the teachers are taking the class, teachers may hear frequent complaints of this, that, okay? So you just write a complaint, okay? I hope you understood, right? You have to write a complaint which you are going to tell your teacher. Suppose this is a physical class, okay? So write it all of you. इन ए फिजिकल क्लास सपोज समबडी इज डिस्टर्बिंग यू, कोई आपको परेशानी करता है तो आप क्या करेंगे, टीचर के पास जाके कंप्लेंट बोलते हैं, टीचर ये मुझे, राइट? सो जस्ट टाइप दैट कंप्लेंट, just type that complaint, right? Mom, he is shouting. Okay, mom, he is shouting. Rudra Devtale put the first complaint. Okay, someone else, come on, all of you, see there are 26 students, 30 students attending, very good. Mom, she is taking my book. Yes, good. Next one, mom, he is disturbing me. Okay, Lisha Pawade, very good. So mom, he is different kinds of complaints. Think about your own complaint. Mom, Parth is not studying. Okay, mom, he is beating me, mom. Okay, good. Mom, he is disturbing me, disturbing me, disturbing me. Okay, you think about something different. In exam, he is cheating from my answer. So you can say, mom, he is cheating, he was cheating. These are all the normal complaints which you are telling to the teacher directly, right? You go to the teacher, madam, Parth is not studying and teasing me. Okay, madam, he is beating me. Mom, he is touching me, he is beating me. Mom, he is disturbing me, teasing. Mom, he steal my eraser. Oh my god, he is beating me. Okay, okay, mom, he is disturbing and telling me he will beat me. Okay, so okay, mom, it's buffering. Yes, that's also a complaint. Yeah, okay, mom, he take and put the tiffin on the floor, so horrible, right? So mom, he is taking my bag. Yes, all these things happen in the class, I know that, right? So children, when you are telling this to the teacher, what are you doing? You are going to the teacher directly and excuse me, mom, then you are telling it directly, right? You are telling it directly, you are not taking someone's help. You are directly reporting, mom, he is doing this. Now you are writing, mom, it's buffering, right? You are telling me directly. So these are all called what speech you type yourself. When you are telling, mom, he is beating me, mom, he is disturbing me, what kind of speech is it? Is it direct speech or is it indirect speech? Relate your life experiences or real life situations with the topic. What is it? Mom, she takes my pouch. Okay, she's taking my pouch. Okay, all right. So now you let me know what type of speech is it? Okay, Pratha, instead of writing mom network issue, you can type the answer. Okay, what type of speech? Is it direct speech or indirect speech? You are reporting to the teacher directly. You yourself is doing, right? So what is it? Is it direct speech or indirect speech? Pratyash, you write the answer. Okay. Aruna means Lavanya Salvatkar, instead of writing network issue, you write the answer. Okay. When you are complaining to the teacher, madam, he is disturbing me, he is taking my tiffin, putting it down. What type of speech is it? Yes, it is direct speech, right? Lavanya Salvatkar, come with the answer, bete. Instead of typing network issue, which is a part of our online class, whenever network is there, you can hear me, so you write the answer. Okay. Yeah. So it is direct speech. This is what we were telling yesterday. When we are speaking to someone directly, it is called a direct speech, right? So when we are not speaking to someone directly, someone else is speaking on our behalf. Okay, someone else is speaking on our behalf, right? Suppose you are not speaking, what you spoke with others. Okay, what you spoke with others is, suppose you are speaking with someone. Okay, so someone else is hearing this and reporting that. Then if your speech is retold by someone, then it is called a indirect speech. For example, I told you, I am not telling anything to, suppose, to someone, or someone is telling this to someone else. Okay, suppose I am telling, see, he is not a good child, he is doing this to me, so that he is not a good child. So someone who is hearing me is going and telling to someone else, see, madam told so and so. So that is indirect speech. Okay, yesterday I took the example of Abhishek, Aryan Tiwari and Partha Shukla. You may be remembering that, right? So here students, you must understand that when we are doing this conversation in our day-to-day life, that itself is direct and indirect speech. There is nothing separate. So yesterday, in our sentence is repeated by someone. Yes, if our sentence is repeated by someone else and report to someone else, then it is called a indirect speech. That's, you are correct. Parth, you are very much correct. Okay. So now you see, children, I am going to show you a slide. Just read what is written here. Just read it. You read it yourself. What is it? What is it means what? What is direct or indirect speech? So what is direct or indirect speech? It is the way in which we are communicating. That's what I told you yesterday. Okay. Simple, you have to understand. Direct and indirect speech has two ways of reporting what someone said. That means direct and indirect speech are two ways of our communication. Okay, nothing else. Just a minute, children. You can read this slide. What is direct speech? I will ask someone right now. Okay, so you have to give the answer. Yeah. Now you see, she said. Said, which is in red color, that is called the reporting verb, which we are using for reporting, right? So after this reporting verb, actually what should you do? You have to put a comma. Then you see the blue letters, that is in inverted comma. Just to see how you have to write the inverted comma, because I will ask all of you to write now inverted comma. Okay. I am going to give you sentences where you have to put the punctuations on your own. Okay. Give me a few minutes. Now look at the next slide. Read it. Indirect speech is given here. Okay, yesterday I have shown you these samples. Now you just see how nice it is. Okay, what you can understand. In reported speech, one person has said something and someone else reports it, as Parth Shukla has said. Now you see reported speech, reporting verb is there, but the direct speech is changed into indirect speech. So what are the changes that you can observe? Just to see. Okay. Okay. Now, this is what we have discussed yesterday very importantly. That is this direct speech, how we have to put the punctuations. Right, students? So, yesterday when there is no comma, yes, changed into that. There is no commas. What a fantastic observation, children. Very nice. Inverter commas, good. There is no inverter commas. There is no comma. Fantastic. Very good. Nice going. Repeating the exact words of the speaker is called a direct speech. Okay, if we are reporting what they have spoken to us, then it is called a reported speech or indirect speech. Now look at this particular slide. Okay, first 3 points we have discussed. Put a full stop or a question mark or an exclamation mark at the end of the word spoken. That means end of that particular parts of speech. Particular direct speech. That you all know that if it is a plain statement, we have to put full stop. If it is a question, we have to put question mark. If it is a exclamation sentence, then we have to put exclamation mark. Right? This is already known to all of you. Right? Now, look at this particular next thing, which is in yellow color. The first word of the direct speech starts with a capital letter. Okay, it is, we have to use it with a capital letter where the dialogue starts. The sentence should start with capital letter. Okay. As well as within the inverted comma, whatever the person is telling, it should start with a capital letter. Then the words spoken should be within the inverted comma you yourself have written. That means you have seen it, right? Good. Now after speaker's information or reporting verb, use a comma, that is after said. After said you have to put a comma there. This is what we didn't discuss yesterday. And now look at the fifth one. If a quote comes before main clause, that I will let you know through the samples. Use a comma, question mark or exclamation mark. Now we know that Meena said, let's go to the market. That is the format which I have shown you now. For example, here you can see. See, she said, I have passed the exam. Right. Now, if this she said comes after this inverted commas means after the direct speech. Suppose I have passed the exam, she said. If it comes like this, then after the exam, instead of full stop, you have to put a comma. That is what is the meaning of this fifth punctuation, which is punctuation guidelines, which is written here. If a quote comes before the main clause, means quote जो भी बोलते हैं reporting verb ये सब पीछे आता है, then what you have to do after the particular reporting is over, put a comma instead of question, exclamation or full stop. That's it. Okay. So now I think it's time for us to go for some practice. Okay. Children, are you ready to practice? Yes, correct. The words spoken, if a quote, yes, if a quote comes, we have to use means inverted commas, right? Parth, are you typing so fast? Huh? If you are typing yourself, that's great. Okay, nice. Okay. Now, children, are you ready for some practice? If your mail come, if your mail close, use. Okay. Are you all ready for some practice? 36 students are attending, only 3-4 students are telling yes, yes, yes. Others? Okay. Maybe others have some doubt, so we will see one sample. Okay, after that we will go for the practice. So children, here I am just going to enlarge this so that you can see. Now look, I have used the punctuation here. Okay, you can see the sample. Anida said. So said is the reporting verb, right? Anida, we are starting the reporting sentence, right? So A should be capital letter. Now, after said, that is the reporting verb, right? There should be a comma. Now, I am going at 8 p.m. This is what is a direct speech. I am going at 8 p.m. So, what we should do? We have to put it in inverted comma. Here there is a mistake. Can anybody point out? Can anybody point out? Any of you? Compare here what is used and compare here what is here. What is the mistake? Do you know? We have to put to here. Okay, then only it is inverted comma. This is to show you I have kept it. So you must understand that if you put one, it is not an inverted comma. In many stories or characters, you must have seen this. So don't put one, instead you have to put two, then only it is an inverted comma. Okay. Why I put inverted comma? Because this is the word what is spoken by Anita. Okay. So it should be in inverted comma. I am going at 8 p.m. This is a statement. So after 8 p.m. you have to put a full stop. So first letter should be capital. Jaise I am going, I should be capital. After said comma, whatever is spoken should be within the inverted comma at the end. If it is a statement, full stop. If it is a question, question mark. If it is exclamation, then exclamation mark. Now, it is time for all of you to attempt the first question. Okay. That is, Shibu says the march is on Sunday. Shibu says the march is on Sunday. Come on. All of you punctuate it yourself. Type the answer. Let me see. Shibu says the march is on Sunday. Let me see how many of you are typing in my mobile. Come on, hurry up. Shibu says the march is on Sunday. That is what Shibu is telling. So let's see. No hurry. You do it carefully. Okay, this is not a competition for getting first prize or second prize. But a full sentence you have to. What is this Pramod Dikshit to, Papusa to? What is this to? Now you write the full sentence. Okay, Shibu says the march is on Sunday. Full you write and punctuate and send me. Okay. Okay. Full sentence. Nityam Chauhan, don't write first capital letter. Understand the instruction. I'm telling you to write the full sentence, punctuate and send me. Aryan, what are you understanding from the information here? I'm telling you to write the full sentence and you are writing one by one. Partha Shukla, what are you understanding from my word? I'm telling you to write the entire sentence. Shibu says, what language should I use for you? Shibu says the march is on Sunday. Write full. Put the punctuation. Then post it. Like that of Garima Wakle, like that of Pratha, what she has done. Pratha has deleted it. Okay. Parth, you stop writing this. What is this? Who will put inverted comma? Where will I put inverted comma? You do. You do and send me. Name the first capital letter. Parth, instead of writing this in fragments, you write the sentence and show where should be the inverted comma, where should be capital letter. Okay. Nityam, come on, hurry up. See here, Aruna Salvatkar, Lavanya. There is a mistake, bete. Whatever is said, it should begin with a capital letter. The march, T should be capital letter, okay? Lavanya Salvatkar. I'm taking your name. Please don't feel bad because I have to correct. Okay. Shibu says, Mangesh Kedar, Arpit Kedar. Shibu is the name of a person. It is the first letter of a sentence. Please make it capital letter. Shibu, yes, should be capital letter. The march is on Sunday. Bete, the march is on Sunday is the word spoken by him. So it should be in inverted comma. And after Sunday, there should be a full stop. Labhansh Nikode, the T should be capital letter because it is the word spoken by the person, Shibu. Same mistake, the whole world of art, Abhishek. I hope it is Abhishek. T should be capital letter. Shibu says the march is on Sunday. T should be capital because this is the word which is spoken by the person. Mohit Srivastava. S should be capital, T should be capital, and the march is on Sunday should be in inverted comma. And there is no full stop at the end. Biren, there is no full stop after Sunday. Again, इतना correction करने के बाद भी देखो लावण्य सलवटकर, what are you doing? बेटे S should be capital letter. Shibu, S should be capital letter. The march is on Sunday. T should be capital letter. Sundays S should be capital letter. Lavanya Salvatkar. Shibu, S should be capital letter. The march, T should be capital letter. Sunday, S should be capital letter. Please, Pratyash, don't solve the other question. We are solving number 1. Okay? Let all the children attend it. Let all the children attend the first question. Then only we will go to the second one. What is this Tanushka Boyer? Okay, madam. Satyam Kumar, okay, madam. I don't want any okay. You have to write the sentence with punctuation and show. Mangesh Kedar, after says there should be comma. Then the march is on Sunday. उसको इन्वर्टर कॉमा में डालो. संडे के बाद तो फुल स्टॉप लगाना है आपको. ओके. और यहाँ नितिन चौहान, आफ्टर संडे फर्स्ट यू पुट फुल स्टॉप, देन ओनली इन्वर्टर कॉमा. फर्स्ट फुल स्टॉप. Yes, Labansh, correction is done. Good. I told you to write the whole sentence of the first sentence. Shibu says the march is on Sunday. Write the whole sentence. This is what I mean, Pratyaksh. So now all of you attempt question number 2. Come on, hurry up. Time is going very fast. Come on. Anu said to Monu, where are you going? Anu said to Monu, where are you going? This said can be changed into ask to Monu also, because the person is asking a question. You can write said to also, no problem. But if you write asked, then it can highlight the question. In your textbook only said to is given. That's why I have written said to. But it would be far better if you write asked, because we ask questions, we say the sentences, right? So if we write said, then it will be wrong. Anu asked Monu, where are you going? So children, punctuate it. Remember, if it is a question, you have to use question mark. Come on, hurry up. Let me see. Anu asked Monu. Yes. So remember, Pratyaksh, first question mark, then only inverted comma. Okay, first question mark, then Anu said to Monu. The whole world of art, I think Abhishek also same mistake, bete. First question mark, then inverted comma. Yes. Where are you going? This is Lisha and Bhumi. Bete, this is a question. Where are you going? So no full stop. It should be a question mark at the end. Where are you going? Okay. Lisha, Bhumi, you have to correct. Also, Parth Shukla, where are you going? It is a question. So at the end, you should put a question mark asked. Parth, there is a mistake. You see, Anu asked Monu. Asked should be in small letter. Okay. Monu's M should be capital letter. Why? Because it's the name of a person. Okay. Where are you going? After that question mark, then only inverted comma. Okay. Anu asked Monu, where are you going? Now, Pratyaksh, you have done one mistake. Can you point it out? Anu asked Monu. After Monu, there should be a comma. Anu asked Monu. After Monu, there should be a comma. Then it will be perfect. You can make it Anu asked to Monu. Monu comma, where are you going? Inverted comma. Okay. And Devi, Mohit Srivastava, put the question mark in front of inverted commas. Put the question mark in front of inverted comma. Okay. Anu asked Monu, then there should be a comma. Yes. Parth Shukla, now also there is a mistake. You are repeating the same sentence, posting the same sentence without any change. Asked, A should be small letter, Monu, M should be capital letter, I said, and first question mark, then only inverted comma, I said. Right, where are you going? Okay, Suryansh. Good. Okay. What is this, Satyam? You are not even copying properly, my dear. Yeah? You are not even copying properly, right? I will just help you here. The first one, Shibu, S should be capital letter, and this H should be in, I am making it red color. Here again red color, says comma, then T should be capital letter. Okay, here I am making T red color, and here in front commas there should be inverted comma. Okay, then after Sunday then there should be inverted comma. Okay, in the same way second sentence A should be capital letter. Okay children, because Anu is the name of a girl, so a girl. Okay, so M should be capital letter, it's the name of a boy. And comma, there should be a comma. Then W should be capital letter, because this is what he or she has asked. Then it, right, at the end there should be question mark. Then the inverter should. Okay, so kids, time 21, time is over. I will be just posting you the attendance link. All of you post your attendance. Okay, immediately post your attendance, all of you. Yeah, I'm posting the attendance link. Please post the attendance. Then I will be sharing some sentences or direct speeches for you to punctuate. Punctuate it and send me before 8 p.m. today itself. I will not send many. I'll be sending few samples. Okay, yeah, that is correct. Yeah, most of you are doing it properly and you are correcting your mistakes. That's great. Okay. Agurdi, you can just keep a finger space between